Whoops, you said third D, right? I wanted to do 33. I would encourage y'all to ask about 33. I would encourage that. All right. So this one right here is a system of equations. You know it's in a system of equations because a system equals two or more equations. Two or more equations makes something a system. Okay? And so we have two, and so that's what identifies this as a system of equation. Now, this is testing some conceptual understanding that you don't have to do any math with. There's no math here. It's asking you to analyze these systems and pick which of the following right here is true about it. All right? And so the solution is the point on the coordinate plane. The solution is all the points on the line of 2 over 3x plus 3. The solution is a point on the x-axis. The solution is in the region on the coordinate plane above this one. And so, here's what I would encourage you to do. One, somebody hand me a calculator. Hand me a calculator. What is the solution to a system? The solution of the system equals what? The point. The point. What point? The point on the coordinate plane? All of them? Point of... Right. The point of intersection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this handy-dandy little thing we got right here, and I'm going to graph both of them and see where they cross. Because that would give me the exact solution, because everything in here asks me about the solution. So let's at least get it. All right, so we're going to go through some calculator commands that we did throughout the semester. Okay? And here we go. So follow along. Come on now, we want to be able to see the screen. All right, so there we go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to y equals, and inside there I'm going to enter in both equations. Okay? Can't even turn the lamp off. All right, so I'm going to show you the equations. The equations are this right here. So in y1, I'm going to enter in 2 over 3x plus 3. And so me and this lamp are going to have issues. All right, so I'm going to go parentheses 2 divided by 3, close parentheses, x plus 3. And so it should look like that in my calculator. And then I'm going to enter in the other one, which is 5 over 2x plus 7 over 2, which most of us don't like it because it's two fractions. God forbid. All right, and so we're going to go parentheses 5 divided by 2, close parentheses, x plus, open parentheses again, 7 divided by 2, close parentheses. That keeps those fractions together, and the calculator's doing all the work, and we're going to go graph. There's one. There's the other one. Okay, and we can see the point of intersection is right there. And so I'm going to get the calculator to calculate the point of intersection without me having to do any math. And so with that, I'm going to go second, calc. I'm going to scroll down to intersect, click enter on intersect, and now I need to make sure that I'm going to establish the two lines and the location at which I want to find the point of intersection. And so there's the first one. Then I'm going to scroll past the point of intersection on the second line. As you can see, it went up past it. Enter again. Don't have time in our life to guess. And so now we see that the point of intersection here is, and I'm just going to write it down because it'll help us analyze it, negative 0.27 and 2.8. All right? And so there is our point of intersection. So let's go through and let's take our solution and see how it compares to these things that are true. First one says the solution to the point of intersection is on the coordinate plane. Okay, we got that. The solution is all the points on the line of this one. Is that true? No, it's not true because all the points on this line are not the intersection with the other one. So this is not true. She gone. All right. The solution is the point on the x-axis. Well, is this on the x-axis? It's not on the x-axis because it makes it go up or down to that and left or right on that. So, no. And the solution is the region in the coordinates plane above this line right here. Okay? And so, I can go back to my little calculator and know that I put in this equation as y2. Alright? And so you can see the point of intersection is right there. And so, this one right here, graph second, is this one above this? And a region is a quadrant. So it won't ever be in a region because that would make it an inequality. Correct? And so this one is off, and there we go. The solution is a point in the coordinate plane.